Hey everybody, Mike and Abbott, Healthy Numbers. Thought I'd bring a little quick video, a little information on do you need to take nutritional supplements before I go out to my growing organic garden. It's time for a little home brew compost tea this evening. So anyway, but one of the questions I've over the years of I guess 30 years now, 30 plus years I've been in the health and fitness industry. One of the most frequently asked questions is, do I need to take supplements? And my answer is no. You don't need to take supplements if you are still living in the Garden of Eden. If you breathe, eat, sleep, everything in that pristine, perfect environment, then probably won't need to take a nutritional supplement. But since I know no one watching this video right now lives in that environment, then the answer is actually yes, you do need to take a nutritional supplement, a supplement that I would call a pharmaceutical grade nutritional supplement. The key being that gets absorbed. And if you're taking a pharmaceutical grade nutritional supplement, then more than likely there is some level of absorption there, so there is an actual benefit. There's so many supplements on the market that are basically worthless. It's that old adage, you get what you pay for. But anyway, so we know that we don't live in the Garden of Eden, so you need to take, excuse me, a nutrient. Let me get a big old swig of water here. Good stuff. But we know that vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, antioxidants are all critical for your health. And your body, if it's going to function at an optimal level, then it needs to have these things available in the diet and through supplementation. Now, of course, one of the things that I always get is that, well, Mike, depending on what you read, the latest information is saying that you don't need to take nutritional supplements or you don't need to take that's always going to be the case because there are always those out there that benefit from illness, from you being sick. There's a whole industry out there that I call the sickness industry, which is our current health care system that basically the way it works is that it needs a lot of sick people for it to function properly. So, of course, a lot of folks have a motivation to see that you're not doing the right things in order to get or to avoid the revolving door of the sickness industry. They don't want you to take supplements. They don't want you to take good supplements. They don't want you to. They're going to develop a food guide pyramid, which is absolutely worthless for good health. But anyway, there even within my profession, the health and wellness, health and fitness industries, there's a lot of folks out there that promote or have this idea. I think it's archaic, that you don't need to take supplements. You can get everything you want from the foods that you eat. You can get everything you need from the foods that you eat. And I always ask this question. I've worked with a lot of nutritionists over the years, and one of the things I ask nutritionists, I say, okay, you've put this person on a balanced approach to nutrition, and you've given them all the things that you know that they need and the food, and you're hitting all these great variety of foods. What percentage of those folks actually adhere to your program? And of course, it's a very, very low number. And I asked them, I said, so if that's the reality, if we know that maybe 10% of the people that you actually counsel are actually going to stay on a good, healthy nutritional program through just eating alone, why don't you recommend a nutritional supplement to ensure that they're getting what they need? And this is just where I come from. I know all you need to do is spend time anywhere watching people eat, and you know that the pattern is we tend to be very narrow in based on how narrow we eat. We tend to narrow what foods we eat. It's really impossible for us to get all the vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, antioxidants that we need for good optimal health. Now, the RDA, we have this thing called the RDA standards, and you look on all these food packages that come up with this RDA, recommended daily allowance, which is really, it's just what I call surviving health, where all it's doing, the RDA levels of these vitamins and minerals and nutrients are basically those numbers that are just keeping you above having the deficient diseases of rickets and scurvy. I mean, it is a bare minimum just to keep you above full-blown disease all the time. So you can't even go by the RDA if you're looking for optimal or what I call thriving health. Now, if you're just looking surviving health and you just want to hang on and not feel your best and live your best, then yeah, you can live to those standards. But I'm hoping that you want something more than that. And in fact, the Journal of American Medical Association 2002 recommended that everybody take a vitamin mineral supplement, because they knew that the studies that have been conducted show that there is a significant deficiency, and as a result, of vitamins and minerals. Got started through that. But anyway, there's a significant void in our diet when it comes to a balanced approach to health and optimal health, which is what we're after. So in this part one, what I want to make sure that you understand is that if you live in the Garden of Eden and you're eating from the fruits and everything that's in the Garden of Eden, then fine, you probably don't need a nutritional supplement. Otherwise, if you're living where I live, and if you're living in this current world situation that we're in, then yes, I'm going to recommend that you take a pharmaceutical grade nutritional supplement that actually has been proven to be absorbed in the body. So that's part one. The rest of the week I'll cover various areas of why, as a result of certain things, we need to take supplements. And I'll go through these various areas where it leads to a deficiency. So, folks, I'm going to cut her off, and tomorrow I'll make sure that I mute the phone or silence the phone. I hope all of you have a great evening and enjoy, and we'll talk to you again soon. Time for compost tea in the garden. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.